If you watch just one ad, you will earn $1.22. If you watch 10 ads, you will earn $12. In this video, I will show you a brand new money-making app that will pay you money for every single ad that popped up on your screen. So let's get started. Now, first thing you want to do is type the name of this app on search bar, which is AdSlice, and then just click on the first result here, or you can also just go to adslice.com. So now this is the app that we are going to be using for this. As it says here, you browse and we pay, and you basically get paid for watching ads. Now, before you go to sign up and try it yourself, make sure you first watch the whole video, as I will show you all the details you will need to know, otherwise you are not going to make any money. I have also tried this myself, so I will show you my results as well as my payment proof from this app. Now, unfortunately, this app is not available for mobile phones yet. Hopefully they will do that sooner, but now it's available for web. So basically you will have to download this or extension, and by having this extension on it, will show banner ads on websites that you visit. Let me even real quick show you an example of how these ads will look like. Now I have the extension on, and if I go to youtube.com, for example, you will see here that it's showing me this banner ad from AdSlice. And one more time, let's say if I even just go to Google, searching for something, it's showing me ads again. And this is how it works. You will have similar ads on every website you visit, and the more ads you watch, the more money you will make, of course. And you don't even have to click on these ads to earn money. There is more information about them on the website. You can just scroll down and get yourself more familiar with that. And basically what you have to do once you come to this page, I will leave the link in the description, as well as you want to click here where it says Add to Chrome, and it will then take you to Chrome Web Store. And to add the extension to your computer, just hit Add to Chrome. As you can see, they already have over 30,000 users and about 700 positive reviews. So after you click Add to Chrome, just click on Add Extension. And as you can see here, it has been added now. Now you can just scroll down here and click Close. Thanks for installing Slice. So now that we have installed the extension, there is only 2 steps left. You will need to create an account and then connect the extension. You also earn 10 free slices just for signing up. And by the way, AdSlice is very new, not so many people know about it yet, and you better take advantage of it now before it gets saturated. So just click Sign Up, and then you can just sign up here using your email and password and agree to the terms of service. Then just verify your email, and this is how your dashboard will look like. Now, first thing you want to do here is connect your extension. To do that, just click Connect and then follow the steps. So it's done. This is how your dashboard will look like. It's going to show here some details about your account and your transaction history, like the amount of ads you have seen, and also how much you have withdrawn. As you can see, I have withdrawn myself $24.20 from this website to my PayPal account, and here is the email of the payment that I received. I know this is not much money, but it's just to show you that this is legitimate, and I have only been using this for about 2 or 3 days. All you have to do is install the extension, and that's it. It will show ads and you earn free money. The amount of money you earn will also depend on what country you're from, and if you stick with me till the end of the video, I will also give you my own special trick that I used to earn $24 in just about 3 days, which is not bad since I don't have to do any work. The great news is that it works worldwide. You also have the Payout tab over here, and this is where you can start cashing out your money. So for example, if you are from the United States, you can either withdraw your money using PayPal or Bitcoin, and you can just select your country from here. But depending on what country you're from, you may even have more options for payment methods. But they will also add visas on here very soon. For people of the US, the only downside of using PayPal here is that they take 4% of your earnings as a fee. So I would recommend using Bitcoin, but it's up to you. And if you like, you can also read here more about how you get paid and when they send payments and stuff like that. But the great part about this is that the minimum payout is only $0.35. There is also other ways to actually make money with this app, especially if you are a gamer. So if you go to where it says Creator, you can see that you can actually connect your Twitch account to this app, and then you also make money by people viewing ads on your stream. So this is a great way to make even more money if you create something you are interested, and you can read more about it if you scroll down here. You can also earn money by inviting other people. So if we go to Crew, you can see that it says invite your friend, and you will receive 1,000 slices for when they have been active for 30 days, and your friends will also earn 100 slices for free. You can just click here if you want to copy your referral link. Here where it says connections is where you can actually add more browsers if you want to. I only have one Google Chrome browser, but I can always add more from here. And also what I always like to do is to just check out some reviews on different platforms, such as Trustpilot. Even though AdSlice is fairly new, it still has quite a lot of reviews. They have an average score ratio of 4.6 out of 5 stars. As you can see, 74% of the reviews are 5 stars and 18% are 4-star reviews. So most reviews are positive. You can see here what other people are saying about it. This is just to show you what other people are thinking about it and to see if it's really worth your time or not. Some even will say here how much they earn. And if I would have to rate this myself, I would definitely give it at least 8 or 9 out of 10, because even though you are not going to make thousands of dollars with this, but the money you make are completely free. You literally have to do nothing but installing the extension. It also doesn't take a long time to withdraw your money or anything like that. After you ask them to withdraw your money, you will receive it in less than 48 hours. Also, the minimum you can withdraw is only $0.35, like I said, which is very easy to make if you ask me. This is excellent, definitely worth it for me. The only downside is the PayPal fees, which is what most people like to use. But you still have Bitcoin right here as a solution. Actually, there's even more reviews here on Chrome Web Store as well. As you can see, most of them are 5 stars, and just the fact that this extension got approved for Chrome Store, that shows you that it's trusted and not a scam or contains malware or anything like that. Otherwise, it won't be on Chrome Store. So now you guys know how this works and everything. You have also seen my proof payment. Now just remember that you always have the extension on your browser so that it shows ads on every website that you visit. And like I said, you don't even have to click on these ads. Of course you can if you want, but you can earn money just when an ad banner popped up. And if you are using more than one browser in your computer, you can also add the extension to all of them so that you maximize your earnings. So this is a great opportunity for you guys, especially for those of you that have no skills and not much knowledge yet. It's beginner friendly and also completely free. And let me know in the comments if there is any questions that you have about this.